Second most persuasive word is the word free. Now that probably doesn't surprise you a whole lot. In the eyes of a consumer, there's really no better value than free. Everyone loves something that's free. But as a copywriter, this isn't about just giving away something or cheapening something by calling it free. No, this is about offering something of value that surprises and delights the reader. It's about giving them something they weren't expecting. That's what using the word free is all about. Let me show you an example of just how powerful the word free is. As Amazon started making a lot of their shipping free, it caused sales to go up in every country but one, France. France held out and charged 20 cents for shipping. 20 cents. That's not a lot of money. You might as well make it free. But they didn't. They charged 20 cents for shipping and sales did not go up. They went up in every single country Amazon sold products in except for France. France eventually caught on and moved their shipping to free, and guess what happened? Sales went up. That is the power of free. 20 cents, not a lot of money, but all it took was making it from 20 cents to free, and it made a world of difference. This is because free eliminates risk and lowers the barrier to entry. This is why it's so powerful if you have something to offer and you offer free bonuses for signing up or free bonuses for purchasing or beginning a membership. The word free really eliminates risk and lowers the barrier to entry. Let me give you an example of this in the real world. So Audible, they are an audiobook company. I love the company. They have great product. They do audiobook memberships. And what they really want you to do is to sign up for their service and then keep the subscription, because then they can depend on your subscription fee every month. And to get you to sign up, because it's so lucrative for you to do that initial sign up, they offer 30 days free. But they don't just offer it 30 days free. They tell you how much of a value this is. And let me show you how many times they use the word free in this one particular ad here. 1, 2, 3 different times in this one ad. And so it says 30 days of membership free plus a book to get you started. Down here at the bottom, easy exchanges, don't love a book, swap it for free anytime. And then in big bold letters here in the yellow button, it says try Audible free. This is all about lowering the barrier to entry. What do you have to lose if you're trying it for free? That's why the word free is so